Hello friends, welcome to Callan Cube YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to make this complete white layer. This is my white plus. You know very well how to make this. Again I will repeat. First step, make this flower. Second step, match with the color home and down. All the colors match with it. If you're facing any problem to making white plus, watch my previous videos, you will find it. Now this is your white plus. Now I will tell you today how to make complete your white layer. So for what we have to do, keep this white layer at the bottom. Keep this white layer at the bottom. Okay, now this is my white plus and find any white piece. This is my white piece. Okay, the situation is like that only. White at the bottom, yellow at the top, and this is your piece. Now this is my white piece, side color. Only look this side color, don't go for the top color. This side color is blue. Now rotate only top layer and go to the blue center. Now this is my white with blue and it's matched with the blue home. Okay, now keep this white in your front. And now the step, because this white piece in your right side, so we will follow the right hand step. Top layer go right to left, right layer up, top layer come back, right layer down. You can see this piece set including the color also. Now again white layer, white at the bottom, yellow at the top, and rotate your cube and find the other white piece. This is my white with the front color is green. It's already in the green home, yeah. So again this is in your my right side, so do the right hand step. Top layer go right to left, right layer up, top layer come back, and right layer down. Now find the other white piece. You can see this is my white piece at the bottom. This is my white layer and here is my white piece. When your white piece at the bottom, don't match with the color. Simply first step, your white piece should be here. So we are still processing. But this white piece in my left side, so I will do the left hand step. Top layer go left to right. Left layer up. Top layer come back and left layer down. Now my white piece at the top. Now what is the front color? Blue. It's already in the blue home. It's sometimes a coincidence. Okay. Otherwise, I just go to the blue home. Yeah, this is the blue home. Now white piece. Keep this white piece in your front. This is my left side. So left hand step. Top layer go left to right. Left layer up. Top layer come back and left layer down. Yeah. Find the last piece. Yeah, this is the last piece. Front color is orange, side color is orange, so go to the orange home. Okay, now keep this white piece again in your front. That is my right side, so I will do the right hand step. Top layer go right to left, right layer up, top layer come back, and right layer down. Now you can see my white layer is complete, including my first 3 greens, first 3 red, first 3 blue, and first 3 orange are also complete. This is my correct white layer. Okay, just practice this. If you like my video, please subscribe also. I will come in my next session to make how to make this second layer. Okay then, see you. Bye bye.